Hello friends, how are you doing? In this video, we are going to take a look at this question. So it says that two blocks of masses 6 kg and 4 kg, they are connected by a rope of mass 2 kg. And then they are saying that it is resting on a frictionless floor. Okay, so frictionless floor is there, and if a constant force of 60 kg, 60 Newton is applied to the 6 kg block, tension in the rope at point A, B and C will be. Okay, so I have not marked the points. So this is point A, this is point B and this is point C, and these are 4 kg and 6 kg block, and they are connected by the rope, and the rope is not massless. In this question the rope is not massless, so they have given that the rope is of mass 2 kg. Okay, and therefore the tension calculations will vary, because if the massless rope is present, then the tension will be same across all the points of the rope, right? So at the 3 points of the rope A, B and C, you are supposed to find out the tension. So let's see how to solve this question. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to, one more thing I forgot to mark. There is this 60 Newton force, right, in the question. So you have to mark like this: 60 Newton, F is equal to 60 Newton external force is there. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to draw the free body diagram, of each of these blocks, and then we can easily calculate the tension. So first of all, let us find out what is the acceleration of the whole system, because there is an external force F net 60 Newton acting on the bigger block. So we know that the acceleration of this whole system, we consider A and this rope and this bigger block, 4, 6 and 2 kgs, right? This whole thing, let us consider this is our system. This is our system. So if this is our system, and the external force on the system is how much? 60 Newton. Can I say that force net force on the system is nothing but mass of the system into acceleration of the system? So what is the total mass of the system here? 4 kg plus 2 kg plus 6 kg. This is the total mass of the system. And what is the acceleration? That we have to find out. And for net external force is 60 Newton, that is already given to us. So can I say 60 divided by 4 plus 2 plus 6 is 12. So 60 divided by 12. So acceleration is 60 by 12, or acceleration is 5 meter per second square. Okay. So one thing that we have found out here is that the acceleration, the value of this acceleration is 5 meter per second square. So let us mark that. Okay. So acceleration is 5 meter per second square. Okay, cool. Now what we need to do is, now let us draw the free body diagram, of block B. So what are the forces acting on this? So let's say that this was the external force, right, 60 Newton. Then in this direction there will be a tension, at this point. So let's say that this was point A, right? A, this is midpoint is B, and this is C. So now at this point the tension force is acting in this direction. So now let us write for this particular block what are the forces. So we can write, so TA is acting in this direction and 60 is in this direction, acceleration is in this direction. So it will be 60 minus TA is equal to mass, let's say that this is block, let's say this is instead of marking A and B and creating a confusion, since it's very simple, let's not confuse ourselves with A and B. You already know what is the mass, right? So let's quickly write down the mass. So mass is nothing but 6 kg, right? So you can say 6 into acceleration, mass into acceleration basically. So this you can write as 6 into A, and acceleration we have already found out. What is acceleration? 5. So this will be 6 into 5. So can we say that 60 minus TA is equal to 30. So now tension becomes 60 minus 30. So tension at point A becomes 30 Newton. Fine. So this is the first tension we found out. Now we have to find out the tension at point C. Now let's use this block. So in this block, what is the tension? So the forces are, the tension is acting in this direction, The acceleration, okay, will of course be in this direction only, okay. Are there any other forces that are acting on this block? No, there are no other forces, right? So what will be the equation in this case for this? F net is equal to mass into acceleration, right? So mass in this case is what? 4 kg. Acceleration we have already calculated, it is 5, so 4 into 5. And this is the F net. F net is what? For this particular block, 4, TC, right? Tension is basically the net force in this case. So this becomes how much? 20 Newton. So this was also very simple, okay. We found out, okay, the tension point C is 20 Newton. So two forces we have found out. Now we have to find out what is the force at point D. So let's see how to find that. That is important. So now at point D, you see that this is the midpoint, right? So if you consider this part, okay, as your system now, consider this is your system. So can I say that this is a system which is moving with acceleration A in this direction? The tension on this system, okay, let me just erase the remaining things, okay, so that it's a little clean, okay. Okay, so now let us write down. So this is the system. So what can I say? And we know that this particular system, suppose let us remove this also, TC and all that we have marked, okay. So our system is this plus this, okay, this part of the rope, okay, and this 4 kg block. So what is the mass of this system? Mass of this system is how much? It is 4 plus how much? This is 1 kg, this is 1 kg, right? Because point D is the midpoint. So this will be 1 kg, this will be 1 kg. So 4 plus 1. So this will become 5 kg. So our system, okay, half of the rope, right? So it becomes 5 kg. So 4 kg block and half of the rope. So that becomes 4 kg plus 1 kg, 5 kg. So this is 5 kg. Acceleration we already know is 5 meter per second square. And what else do we need? So we have the, okay, so now we have to find out, okay, what are the forces on this? So force is one force, okay, only, and that is tension TB, okay. So this is the only force that is acting on this system, okay. There is no other force, and the system is moving in this direction. I'm talking about this system that we are, the new system that I have marked in red, okay, 5 kg block. So now, can I write F net is equal to same equation, okay? Nothing new. F net is mass into acceleration, and here the mass of our new system is 5 kg. So 5 into acceleration. Acceleration we already know is 5, and F net is, in this case, is going to be TB, this one, right? So TB is going to be our force, this one. So TB becomes 5 into 5, which is 20 newtons. So very simple, I think, okay, not very difficult. If you go systematically step by step, then it's very easy to find out, okay, the force, the tension at 3 points of the rope. So I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.